I'm trapped, I'm crying for help. Please, someone. But they just, walk past. One by one, they look down at me, then turn and walk away. Why won't anyone help me? I'm desperate, I'm scared, and they just ignore me. Then it hits me. A cold, hard realization. Oh no, I did this to them. Let me show you what I mean. Just last week, Milo the mouse was stuck under a heavy leaf. It was crushing him. Please help me. He squeaked, his little voice trembling. I looked down at him. A single push from my hoof would have set him free. It was nothing, but I turned my nose up and said, "Not my problem," and just walked away. It would have taken 5 seconds. 5 seconds I didn't want to spare. Then, yesterday, I saw Holly the horse struggling to pull a heavy cart up a hill. "Can you just give me a little push?" she asked, her breath coming in ragged gasps. I'm strong. I could have easily helped her get it over the rise. But I shook my head. Do it yourself. I'm busy. The truth is, I wasn't busy at all. I was just heading to a sunny spot to nap. I just didn't want to help. And just this morning, on my way here, I saw a little bird on the path. One of her wings was bent at an odd angle. "Please, can you get help?" she cried out as I approached. I didn't even break my stride. I just kept walking. Someone else will do it. I thought to myself, so easy to ignore something when it's not your problem, isn't it? Over and over again, this was my story. Not my problem. Do it yourself. I'm too busy. Anyone and everyone who needed a moment of my time, a bit of my strength. I turned them all away. And now, as I sit in this deep, dark hole, I can see them all walking by. And I know they all remember. They all remember the exact moment I refused them. And here he comes, Milo the mouse. He walks right to the edge of the hole, looks down at me, and then, he keeps walking. Then Holly the horse. Please, I beg her, my voice cracking. She looks at me, a sad look in her eyes, and says, "Not my problem." My own words. The exact same words I said to her, thrown right back in my face. This is the lesson I taught them. This is the world I created. So here I am, still trapped, still alone. I taught everyone around me that helping is a waste of time, that you should only look out for yourself. Now, I'm getting exactly what I gave. Nothing. But then, a small sound. It's Milo, he's returned. The very mouse I ignored. He looks down at me and says, "I'll help you, even though you didn't help me." He was better than me. He showed me what true kindness was. It made me realize, the help you refuse to give others is often the very help you'll one day desperately need. And maybe, you won't get it. Let this be a lesson. The kindness you put out into the world is the kindness that comes back to you. Thanks for watching. If this story touched you, please like and subscribe for more.